Hey, what's up? Dilio coming back to you. Let's go right into it. Fender Studio is 30% off all the way through September 7th of 2026. The current date right now is August 6th. So if you want to get that software, you definitely want to go it. I swear by the software. I like it. There's a lot of good stuff going on here. A lot of features. It's jam-packed. You got guitar amps if you want that. You got bass amps. You got pedals because, you know, it's Fender, so it's connected. You got the studio assistant. I haven't tried this. There's a lot of features that I want to dive into. They got Moog Studio integration, vocal tune. I'm very curious of how this sounds stacked up against Antares Auto-Tune, which is my favorite. They got Splice integration. I'm very curious about that because I am still a Splice subscriber. Stem saturation, I'd like to put that to the test. You got the channel overview now. Arrangement views. I definitely want to look at all this chord assistant, virtual instrument samples. So there's more than 45 native effects included. And you got 9 powerful instruments. This comes with it right here. Fender Studio ignites your creative spark with a powerful suite of 9 deeply expressive virtual instruments. I'm very curious about these to see how these sound. So if you want to get it, let's look at this and see what it got. Because you got to be careful because you don't want to just go ahead and get a perpetual. I mean, you can subscribe if that's your thing. One thing I like about Fender Studio is that they still allow you to do perpetual licenses or to purchase it full time, or to not have to keep doing that. So right here, you can see it right here on the website, 30% off. So originally was $199.99. It's now $139.99. All in one. It runs great on PC. It runs great on the Mac. I used to be a Pro Tools guy, but then I switched over to this, and it's really cool. You can get a perpetual license with Pro Plus annual plan for $179.99 a year. So you get a year of that Pro Plus with the purchase, and then you got the Pro monthly plan right there if you want to get that, if you just want to subscribe to it. But I like the perpetual license. There's a lot of stuff in here. It's probably my favorite DAW of all time. I know in the studios you see Pro Tools, and that's their call. I get it. Pro Tools is dope. I'm not hating it, but I know for me, in my studio, we rock at Studio One. It's just fast. It's solid. I don't even remember the last time it crashed on me. I was just trying to make it crash, but yeah, a lot of features here. I got a summary. You definitely should check out. I'll put the link in the description below. You got the guitar and bass plugins. Moog Studio integration, Splice integration, channel arrangement overviews, native vocal tune plugin. I definitely want to see what that sounds like. I need to go and check that out in a later video. Latest stem separation, audio to MIDI conversion. I definitely want to try that out. 45 native effects and 9 virtual instruments. I want to check those out. Intuitive drag and drum functionality. That's always been there. Glad they're still talking about that. Mastering, intelligent chord assistant, and Fender Studio app compatibility. Definitely curious about that. We'll have to look into that. But yeah, definitely go and get this. I just wanted to bring awareness to it because I think it is a nice deal on the market right now. Fender Studio Pro version 8.1. I have a copy. I use it. I haven't done any tutorials on it, but I will. And I love talking about the software. So you let me know what kind of features you like in this software. What do you think would be a good fit for you? I think it's a good platform, and just want to bring some awareness about it. If you're not in the Studio One, that's no problem. But for those who are on the fence on buying that software, now's a good time to cop it because it will be 30% off until September 2nd of 2026. So you got a couple weeks to make up your mind. You got a pay period to go through if you want to do that too as well. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, or join my emailing list so I can let you know when I got new videos, all that good stuff. Thank you for watching. You're watching the Dilio T2K YouTube channel. I'm Dilio. We out. Peace.